way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
Huh? No? Wanna guess? Huh? No? Okay. They lose their noses. So some contractor wants to build a dam and he makes a few payoffs. So what?
Yes. What did you talk about? Do you mind my asking?
The water,
What about the water?
when it comes,
When it comes? What did you tell them?
it comes in different parts of the river. Every night a different part.
Yeah, he drowned too.
Come again?
Yeah, got drunk, passed down the bottom of the riverbed.
The L.A. River?
Yeah, right under Hollerbeck Bridge. What's wrong with that?
Well, it's dry as a bone, Morty.
It's not completely dry.
Well, he ain't gonna exactly drown in the damp riverbed, no matter how soused he is.
We got water out of him. He drowned.
You mean he owned the entire water supply for the city?
Yes.
How'd they get it away from him?
Mr. Mulray felt the public should own the water.
But in case you're interested, your husband was murdered. Somebody's been dumping thousands of tons of water from the city's reservoirs, and we're supposed to be in the middle of a drought. He found out about it, and he was killed. There's a waterlogged drunk in the morgue, involuntary manslaughter if anybody wants to take the trouble, which they don't. It seems like half the city is trying to cover it all up, which is fine by me. But Mrs. Mulray, I goddamn near lost my nose. Well, let's look at it this way. Mulray didn't want to build a dam. He had a reputation that was hard to get around. You decided to ruin it. Then he found out you were dumping water at night. Then he was drowned.
Mr. Giddens, that's an outrageous accusation. I don't know what you're talking about.
high.